Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, we will be discussing about role of enzymes in dairy technology. I have already made a video on enzymes introduction, mechanism and properties. You can click on this I button and directly jump into that video. Usually enzymes act as a bioprotective agents as well as coagulants in the production and extending the shelf life of dairy products. The first enzyme we are going to talk about is lactase. So let's start the video. As we know that milk contains sugar and this milk sugar is known as lactose. Lactose content is slightly high in buffalo's milk as compared to cow's milk. In cow's milk it is about 3.66% and in buffalo's milk it is about 4.81%. Lactase enzyme is also known as beta-galactosidase. Lactose acts as a substrate for lactase enzyme and converts the lactose into monosaccharide sugars, that is galactose and glucose. Galactose and glucose are the hydrolytic products of lactose and these are used for the improvement of solubility, sweetness and act as a digestive agent in dairy products. When milk sugar or lactose reacts with milk proteins in the presence of heat, it forms a brown color. A browning reaction takes place. Lactose has two forms, hydrates of A-lactose and anhydride of P-lactose. When crystallization takes place below 93.5 degrees Celsius, then hydrates of A-lactose is formed. When crystallization takes place above 93.5 degrees Celsius, then anhydride of P-lactose is formed. P-lactose is more sweeter and soluble than the crystals of A hydrate. Lactose sugar has low solubility and because of its low solubility, the sugar is crystallized when milk is concentrated. So it causes sandiness in concentrated dairy products like ice creams because of crystallization of milk sugar. This sandiness can be reduced through the use of lactase enzyme. Now what is lactose intolerance? People with lactose intolerance are unable to fully digest the lactose sugar present in milk and milk products. Lactose intolerance is usually caused by a deficiency of lactase enzyme in the body. So if there is no lactase enzyme in the body, then lactose sugar is not metabolized properly, which cause unpleasant symptoms after ingestion of milk and milk products. It is estimated that 70% of the world population is suffering from lactose intolerance. Therefore, the demands for lactose-free milk are increasing considerably due to inability of humans to digest lactose in dairy products. When lactose tolerant person ingest milk or have a milk based product, lactase present in small intestine metabolizes the lactose and converts it into glucose and galactose. But in case of lactose intolerant person, there is a deficiency of lactase in small intestine. The lactose moves into the large intestine instead of being processed and absorbed. In the large intestine, normal bacteria interact with undigested lactose and produce acids and gas. This causes bloating, diarrhea, abdominal pain, usually begin from 30 minutes to 2 hours after eating or drinking milk-based products. These are yeast and fungal species from which lactase can be easily obtained. Lactase-treated milk increases the sweetness of the resultant milk, thereby avoids the requirement of addition of sugars in the production of various flavored milk drinks. During the production of yogurt, frozen desserts, and ice cream, manufacturers use lactase in order to improve the sweetness, creaminess, scoop and digestibility. So that's for all today. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Thank you.